Keywords are the lifeblood of search engine optimization. You identify certain set of keywords based on the products you're selling, the services you're offering, what your competitors are offering, etc. Google Analytics is a great tool that helps you not only see what users are searching for and coming to your site, but also helps you provide information that you can use to further enhance your keyword list. In this lecture, I will show you several reports where you can get ideas for what keywords you should optimize for. The first place to look for keywords is under acquisitions, all traffic, and channels. Here I'm in Google Analytics and in channels report under acquisition. So acquisition, all traffic, and channels. This is where all the channels are listed that are driving traffic to your site. Click on organic search and that'll give you all the keywords that the search engines are passing back to your site, and hence analytics is picking it up. If the keywords are not passed by the search engines, as is the case with most of the keywords these days, you will see not provided. So here not provided, that means search engines such as Google and Bing are not passing this information. However, many search engines do pass information, and also in some cases Google and Bing still pass that information, and you will see those keywords here. You can look through the keywords by going to the next page or by clicking a number of rows that you want to see here. We have 121 keywords here, so all you need is go up to 250. You can take this list and add to your list of keywords to find out which one you should be optimizing for. You're already ranked for these keywords. However, you might not be listed on the higher search results, and that's what you can focus on optimizing if a keyword makes sense for your business. In order to export this list, go up on Google Analytics and click on Export. And then click on either Excel or CSV, and that'll give you this list in an Excel or CSV format. Now let's look at the second place where you can find the keywords that are driving traffic to your site and can provide you ideas about what keywords to optimize your site for. These keywords are available under Acquisition, Search Console, and Queries. So here I am in Google Analytics, Acquisition, Search Console, and Queries. Here is a list of all the keywords that are available within this report. These keywords are the actual keyword searches that users have searched on Google search engine and where your site came up in the search results. Go through this list of keywords to identify where are your biggest opportunities and then optimize for those. Again, in this report, you can go up and export the list in Excel or CSV format. You should create a master list of all the keywords either in Excel, database, or CSV so that you can identify where you want to focus on and then track your rankings. Third place where you can get ideas about what keywords to optimize your site for is under behavior, site search, and search terms. These are the actual keywords that users are searching on your site. That's why they are listed under site search. So to give you an example, here I am on Optizent site. You can see there is a search box. This is the search box that users use to search for courses. So if I type in Google Analytics here, I'm going to get a list of all the Google Analytics courses available here. If you look in the URL of this page, I'm going to go and show you the URL of this page. You can see that the keyword or key phrase that I typed in here and searched is now available in the query string. This is the identifier that tells Google Analytics what that search term is. So you go in Google Analytics and configure Google Analytics to read the value of this parameter. For your site, you might have a different parameter that's holding the value of the term that's used by the search. So in this case, it's query. On my main site of Optizent, the search engine uses a different query parameter. So let me go to the site and show you what the query parameter is. On this site, when you search a term, let's say I'm searching on Adobe, the name of the parameter here is S. So keep in mind, it doesn't have to be S or query or search. Whatever the search engine on your site is using, that's the parameter you will use in Google Analytics. If you have multiple ways how this keyword can show up in your query strings, you can configure those as well. So you can configure up to 5 parameters in Google Analytics. Now let's go to Google Analytics and see how the configuration works. In Google Analytics, click on Admin, and in the view where you want site search reports to show up, click on View Settings. You have to do this for every view where you want this data to show up. Scroll down, and where you see this site search tracking, that's toggled on. You will have to toggle it on if it's off for you. Off means do not track site search. On means track site search. So step 1, turn it on. Step 2, enter those identifiers where the keywords are going to be available. In our case, it was available in query. So I've typed in query, and I also have another search engine available on the site in a different portion of the site, which passes the keywords in queue. So I have queue. You can use a comma to separate these parameters. So right here, you can have up to 5 parameters. Once you do that, then go ahead and click on Save. Now your on-site search data will start to show up in your reports. So go back to your reports, click on Behavior, Site Search, and Search Terms. Use this list to identify opportunities for any keywords that your site should be ranked for. Again, you have this list where you can expand the list and then export it.